rate my subscribers beat video. I don't feel like doing a long intro. I just honestly feel like just getting into this because it just cannot be asked. So yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Turn on post notifications because you know you don't want to miss videos. And if you want to enter the next Rate My Subscribers Beats video, the instructions are in the description. All you gotta do is sign up for Viber.com, join the Dogs Gang community, and submit your beats. Very simple. So alright, first we have Lotnik. Pretty interesting so far. That's pretty good. 808 sounded a little weird, but I'll let it slide. It was a very good beat. Had a nice bounce. Pretty strong. I'll rate that I'll give it a 3.5 out of 5 because just the 808 sounded a tiny bit weird. I feel like you could have done more with the 808s and also the pattern too. I feel like you could have done more with that, but yeah. Because the mix was clean too. So I just feel like the 808s, man, you just needed it. No links. Stop sending links. I'm not looking at links. Please stop sending links. All right, AJ Moore, let's see what you got. This sounds pretty familiar, but I'll just rate it like it's new, whatever. AJ, my guy, this is great. This is very good. The mix was dope. Beat overall, I mean, it was great. It had a nice switch up with, I think there was a switch up within the 808 to the sub bass. I really liked how you did that. It was really continuous. It wasn't abrupt. I'm gonna rate that beat. Let's give it a 3.91 out of 5. That's it. 391. Okay. Who the fuck? Beats.
You know, that's a KB. You know, that's a KB.
Alright, I'm gonna stop it there. I know exactly what I'm gonna say now. So basically, the beat was good, everything was fine. It's just the slides were random as hell. I shouldn't be talking because I suck with 808 slides, but like, if you're gonna do them, just don't make them as random and repetitive as that. But overall, the beat is pretty good. I'm gonna rate that overall. I'm gonna give it that's a solid 3.75. Look at that. Shit, that kind of scared me. Next, we got Sizzyman. Book. See what you got, my guy. See, when you got a sample as hyped as that, the beat better be fire. If it's not, I'm not even gonna rate it. I'm just playing. No, I'm not. Better be a good drop. almost clowned the shit out of you. I was, oh, you're, oh. Damn! That was good. That was good. 808 slides were good. Hi-hats were good. Mix was good. I'm gonna give that a 4.3 out of 5. Fantastic. Fantastic. Alright, who is this? Dr. Allegro. Let's see what you got. This man went for the guitar solo right into that dark savage mode type. Oh my god. I'm sorry, but that was wow. That really got me hyped. That switch up caught me super off guard. That was phantasmagorical. I like that. Yo, I'm going back to listen to this drop. Hold on. We're gonna start. We're gonna no, run that back. Run that back. Run that. Listen to this. Listen to this. Like banging on definitely bet I can't even spell. Can't even spell. I don't care. I'm gonna misspell it. Whatever. I'm gonna do it. Bro. Whoop. It's Dr. Allegro. That's crazy. Crazy things. Crazy. I liked it. Good stuff. Alright, Trey goes Bravzy. See what you got. Yo, okay, why? You know what, let me not judge it too early, but it sounds really good so far. That's what I was gonna say.
Go crazy on the track.
Yo, oh my god. Yo, this beat's making me cry, man. This is crazy. Yo, I better not get copyrighted for that sample or whatever. I swear to God, if I get copyrighted for that sample, Trago Bravzy, whatever flippin' hell your name is, I'm coming for you, bruh. Wow. Let's just continue then. If it does sue me for copyright, I just have to mute it. I'm sorry, or it'll have to. Let's just. Fantastic. That's a 4.5. Alright, Manuel, let's see what you got. Okay. Obviously used Omnisphere. This one. Every time I hear an 808 Mafia sign, your beat's getting skipped. I don't care. It's 2019. We don't use those anymore. Sorry. If you like the video, leave a like. Comment on videos that you in the future in the comment section below. Don't forget, if you want to submit your beat for next time, instructions are in the description. Yeah, don't use the 808 Mafia siren and you won't get skipped. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you can see the videos come up. I'll see y'all in the next one, and peace.